Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need ocean access and level 30 or higher to spawn Kraken creatures. Once done, gather the 3 bait items, deep flesh, salt pearl, and eel oil, and craft a single batch of bait. Make sure you have diving gear and a tanked pet with high stun resistance. This keeps you alive during the initial pull. Place bait at a deep coral node, then move back to a safe vantage and wait for the first ripple. This triggers the spawn window. You now manage the encounter itself. Pull the Kraken from about 25 to 35 meters to control ad spawns and avoid surfline aggro. This reduces random pulls. Once engaged, apply chain crowd control, stun, slow, and displacement to limit tentacle reach. Prioritize interrupting the whirlpool cast and kite during tentacle phases. This prevents one-shot mechanics. Keep rotation calm and deliberate. Heal when bleed stacks hit 3. And swap utility. You finish by watching for the tentacles to retract. This is your opening for final burst damage. Pop high damage cooldowns and focus the head. Once defeated, loot immediately because the rare baby Kraken spawn chance is time sensitive. If the attempt fails or the Kraken bugs out, reset. Move the bait at least 50 meters away and wait 5 minutes before reapplying to clear server-side timers. As a troubleshooting tip, verify no other players are nearby. Shared spawns often steal your credit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.